Welcome to SAT-X. Nested radical. Here is cubic root x square inner root x to the power 4 times fourth root of x to the power 8. So first we can write this is our main root, cubic root x square. Then inner root will be unchanged, it will be x to the power 6 times this fourth root to the power fourth root x to the power 8. We can write, we know nth root of a, it means a to the power 1 by n. So here is x to the power 8 times this fourth root, we can write 1 by 4, right? Then cubic root x square, then inner root x to the power 6 times 8 divide 4, it will be 2. So we can write x to the power 2. Now again cubic root x square times, here is, we know once base are same, it means x and x same, x to the power 6 times x square, base same, so in product power will be add 6 plus 2, that means x to the power 8. So we can write in here x to the power 8. Then cubic root x square times, we want to omit this root, so we can write x to the power 8 times 1 by 2. Okay, and then cubic root x square times 8 divide 2, it will be 4. So here is x to the power 4. And now similar thing, base are same, power will be add in product, so x 2 plus 4 is a 6, right? How? X to the power 2, x to the power 4, so x 2 plus 4, finally we get x to the power 6. And last thing, this cubic root we want to omit, so x to the power 6 times 1 by 3. So 6 divide 3, it will be 2. So our answer is x square. Very simple. So these types of math is very important around the world, any kinds of math examination, grade 8 to 10. Higher level also important, but we are trying to solve for our algebraic practice. So nested radical expression is very important. I hope you understand this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. And my channel name is SAT-X. I hope you will subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.